are more popular sa warrant of arrest sa dalawang pinakasikat na personalities sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. We should not forget about that.
Na-anticipate ko na eventually darating ang panahon na to. So I have to make sure na pag ibinigay sa akin ng utos, I can execute it in the shortest possible time. Napaka-iksi ng oras na ibinigay sa akin doon. Wala ngang 24 oras. And it has to be implemented. Sabi ko, this is a court process. The legal justification is solid. All that's left now is to implement this. Alam nyo, ang due process talaga, ang ultimate test niyan sa korte. The court has now affirmed the charges. Hindi para i-judge ko. Sa akin lang, in-implement ko lang ang warrant of arrest. According sa ICC, may jurisdiction sila. And the Philippines is a party state during the time that the offenses in question were committed. Mind games lang naman lahat ng yon kung tutuusin na talagang pinapakita ko lang sa kanya na resolute tayo.
No spin, no lies, just the truth.